Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Start by learning that Western music uses 12 distinct pitch classes and 7 natural letter names. A through G. Visualize a full piano keyboard of 88 keys to see how those names repeat across octaves. Understand accidentals. Sharps raise a note by 1 semitone and flats lower by 1 semitone. Accidentals are written as hash and B. Learn that an octave spans 8 letter steps but 12 semitones, and that the chromatic scale lists every semitone in order for clear reference. On your instrument, find a stable reference. On piano, locate middle C, and on guitar, find the note at the 3rd fret of the A string for middle C family reference. Practice 1 octave at a time and name each note aloud while playing to connect sound with symbol and position. Spend 15 minutes daily mapping notes visually, orally, and by fingering until the pattern becomes automatic. Use consistent fingering and repeat sequences slowly. Then increase tempo only after accuracy is solid. Adopt focus drills. Use flashcards for 10 minutes to test note recognition in both treble and bass clefs and track your score. Sing solfege while playing scales to link pitch names and ear, do re-mi, and practice ascending and descending patterns. Drill intervals deliberately. Major 2nd, minor 3rd, perfect 5th, and octave until you can identify each by sound and position. Record short 3-minute tests weekly, correct mistakes immediately, and increase complexity by adding accidentals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.